Yamaha Rhino 660 won't start. This video describes factory recommended troubleshooting procedures for a Yamaha Rhino 660 that will not start up and begin to work. It is recommended to download the factory repair manual when performing maintenance or repairs to the vehicle. The download repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. Go to 911manual.com to download the complete factory repair manual straight to your computer or tablet in seconds. When you get to 911manual.com, select the make, model and year, then download the repair manual.